This 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, microwave, TV, external shower, skylight, spare tire kit, smoke detector, awning, water heater, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 K-Z Sportsmen 303RL is 8,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.